Sarap naman ang kain ng bata-batuta na yan. Ah. Anong kain niya? Ang kain ng bata-batuta? What is that? Bebe? What is that? Avocado? Dalawang kamay pa talaga. Avocado? She's eating avocado and orange. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Ito naman, grapes. Grapes naman to. Yung grapes. Korean grapes juice. Korean grapes juice ba? Opo, opo. Yan lang siya. Habang nanonood. Ito yung iniinom ni Bebe. Korean grapes. Korean grapes. This one. Baby likes it. Korean grapes. Ito. Ayan. Gusto ni Bebe to. Ayan. Ito yung iniinom ni Bebe. Bebe like it so much. No, Bebe? Ito yung nasa dede niya. Ayan. Yan yun. Ito. Ayan. Favorite ni Bebe ito. Bebe's favorite. Juice. Korean grapes juice. Good morning. Ganyan lang siya. Baby likes to play in a crib, but I must to give her something to eat so she can stay here 2 to 3 hours playing by herself. Na bebe? Na bebe? Na bebe? It's okay, it's okay. Don't pick it up. I will clean it later, okay? It's okay, it's okay. She's trying to clean her mess. No, give it to me. Thank you, Baba. Thank you. Okay. You eat na. You eat na. Oh, you eat na, Baba. Thank you. Thank you po. Bait naman ang Baba na yan, ah. So sweet naman, baby, ah. Okay, you eat na, Baba. You eat na. Eat na, baby. Thank you. Thank you. So, bait naman yan, ah. So sweet naman, ah. Okay, you eat na, baby. Princess, you eat na. Eat na. You finish that one, ah. Your avocado and orange, ah. Yes po. Ah, good morning. Good morning. Morning daw, morning. Okay, you eat na. You eat na, Baba.